In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Webpage Not Available problem on Android. This error usually shows up when you're trying to open a site in your browser. And, instead of loading, it just gives you that message and refuses to move. It can be caused by a weak connection, a browser glitch, or something in your phone's settings. So in this tutorial, we're going to walk through a series of simple checks and fixes, step by step, to get you back online. First, let's start with the basics. Your internet connection. On your Android phone, look at the top of the screen and make sure you see either the Wi-Fi icon or mobile data icon. If you're on Wi-Fi, pull down the notification shade, turn Wi-Fi off, wait a couple of seconds, and turn it back on. If you're using mobile data, do the same. Toggle it off and on. After that, try opening the web page again. If it loads, the problem was just a temporary network glitch. If it still doesn't work, try another site, like a well-known search engine. If no sites load at all, your connection might be the issue, not the specific page. In that case, restart your router if you're on Wi-Fi, or move to an area with better signal if you're on mobile data. Next, let's refresh the browser itself. Close all open tabs in your browser, then fully close the app. On most Android phones, you can do this by tapping the Recent Apps button and swiping the browser away. Then, reopen the browser and try again. Sometimes the browser just needs a fresh start. If that doesn't help, we'll clear the browser's cache and data. Go to your phone's settings, then find Apps or Application Manager. Scroll until you see your browser, for example, Chrome, and tap it. Choose Storage. Here, tap Clear Cache first. Test the web page again. If the problem continues, come back to the same screen and tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. Keep in mind, this may sign you out of websites, but it can fix deeper issues. Now let's check the date and time on your device. Go to Settings, then System, then Date and Time. Turn on Automatic Date and Time if it isn't already. An incorrect date or time can sometimes prevent secure sites from loading properly. Finally, restart your phone. Hold down the power button, choose Restart or Reboot, and let the device fully power back on. Once it's up, open your browser and try loading the web page again. By carefully going through these checks, you can usually fix the Webpage Not Available error and get your Android browser working normally again.